Growing up, I felt my big dreams had to be whispered because that kind of ambition could be mistaken for arrogance. But my immigrant mother would look me in the eye and say what we always say in Jamaica: good, better, best. Never let it rest till your good is better and your better best.
Shirley Ralph, the beautiful, the legendary Shirley Ralph. Not many Jamaicans represent Jamaica on the international level the way Shirley Ralph represents Jamaica. You never see this woman anywhere on the international scene without her showing off her Jamaicanness. And Shirley Ralph has been around for a long time. Just imagine your first role as a 20-year-old with Sidney Poitier. Sidney Poitier is a legend, and that was her first role in movie with Sidney Poitier. And to see her now in 2025 with her star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame, it's a great accomplishment. And for some people, it took a long time. For some people, they will get it in 20 years, but it took her like over 40 years to get the star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. And I think a lot of Jamaicans are celebrating. This woman is accomplished. She, as I said, she represents Jamaica like few people represent Jamaica as much as she does. So this was how the big day kicked off in Hollywood to celebrate the Jamaican legend, icon, Shirley Ralph.
He is the founder of the Diva Foundation, a national nonprofit 501c3 charitable organization, as a memorial and lifelong pledge to the many friends she has lost to HIV/AIDS. The foundation has been committed to achieving better health outcomes for all people through innovative programming using the transformative power of the arts. She is the AIDS ambassador for Jamaica's Ministry of Health and recently received the prestigious Honorary Order of Jamaica for her contributions as an actress and cultural ambassador of Jamaica. Lots of fun.
Okay, so Shirley Ralph is involved in a lot of philanthropic work in Jamaica, and Shirley Ralph as I said, she represents Jamaica like few people represent Jamaica. She's a big fan of cricket, and I had the privilege to meet her back in the days. And the amazing thing about Shirley Ralph is that I think the last time I met her was about 25 years ago, and I kid you not, this woman never ages. She looks the same way like 25 years ago, and it is just amazing. And she's one of the few, her and her mom, to receive the Order of Jamaica. Mom and daughter receiving one of the highest honors in Jamaica. So Shirley Ralph, as I said, man, like she represent, and for someone that was born in America by Jamaican parents, she went to school in Jamaica. She grew up in Jamaica for a part of her life, but she represents Jamaica like most people in Jamaica don't even rep Jamaica that hard. And it's just amazing to see. And I know that she's been inspirational for a lot of young people back home. And that is a big thing to see her receiving this honor, our star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Here at Carib 21, I'm on a mission to showcase the vibrant culture and the breathtaking beauty of the Caribbean while showcasing our culture and what is trending. If you want to support me on this mission, please subscribe. And if you also want to support, you can hit the comment section and buy me a cup of coffee. In order to buy me a cup of coffee, you can follow these instructions. Just click more. You will see the link to buy me a cup of coffee. Click the link. You can purchase 1 or 2 cups of coffee, and you'll be helping me to fulfill this mission. Thank you.
So let this moment remind you that the world may try to define you, delay you, and even erase you. But if you speak up with your voice even when it trembles, if you refuse to dim your light, then you will come to a day when they cannot look away. To my beloved parents up in heaven, Dr. Stanley L. Ralph, a lifelong educator who taught me dignity, good posture, enunciation, and how to sing. My mother, the Honorable Ivy Ralph Order of Jamaica, who showed me courage, sharpened it with bravery, and taught me how to sew. I thank them for every sacrifice they made and the magic they are still continuing to make today. To my husband, the Honorable Senator Vincent Hughes. You have held me through nights of rejection and the ugly cry, and you still champion every little win like I had won an Oscar. Your love is a blessing. To my beautiful children, Etienne and Ivy, thank you for taking this journey with me. Thank you for always reminding me, Mommy, you can do anything.
Okay, so that was Shirley Ralph. So guys, sound off in the comment section and let me know, what do you think about Shirley Ralph receiving her Hollywood, the Star and Hollywood Walk of Fame, and what is your favorite movie of Shirley Ralph? I remember, I think my favorite would have to be Sister Act. She was in the Sister Act where Lauryn Hill, when we saw Lauryn Hill, the first time we saw Lauryn Hill as an actress in Sister Act, and she played the mother, you know, that miserable mother in Sister Act. So I think that would be my favorite. And I know that she was an original member of the Dream Girl. You know, at that time I was too young to really enjoy that, but I would say Sister Act, that was my favorite movie with her. And she has many, many movies with Sidney Poitier, as I say, her first movie. But sound off in the comment section and let me know, what is your favorite movie of Shirley Ralph? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. And remember, peace. I'm out.